guys, it's WendyMichelle Thompson back with your Madfit abs. These are great abdominal exercises, whether you are a beginner, whether you've been doing abs for a long time, and even if you're an advanced. You can do these at any time, not just once a week. So we always start with a warm up. Let's go ahead and roll our neck. Hear all those creaks. Do some shoulder rises, up and down, up, down. Some baby circles forward. Take it back. Try some bigger circles forward. Ever want to start with a cold body. We can injure ourselves very easily. Put your hands on your waist and let's just do a twist. Upper body only. Your head going back to the front. Get a good stretch in those sides. And do some arms over, good stretch, no bouncing. Again, other side. Stretch out our legs just a little bit. Then go down as deep as you can. Be able to go deeper and deeper as you do this more and more. And one more little stretch I like to do. Clasp your hands behind you. Roll it over your back. Keeping that chin to the chest. All right, are we ready for our abs? These all come from my 31-day plank challenge. So if you want to see those individually, they are right there on my playlist on fitness and ladies chat. So let's just go ahead and start in a high rise plank. This time, and we will begin now, bring your right arm behind you. You will hold that for 1 minute. Tightening your glutes. My daughter will let me know when we're at the 30-second mark or below. Very good. You need a drink of water. Keep it beside of you at all times. High plank again. And you know what it is. The other side. Beginning now. Left arm. Really take this time to focus on the muscles that you are working. It's not just your core, your bottom, your legs, your back, your arms. I'm putting a lot of resistance and pulling my arm back by squeezing with my fist. Where are we in time? And you let me go at 30-second mark. guys. Alright, the next one is a forearm plank. We're actually going to round up our back. And it's a little easier to show you. You'll round up your back like this. Make sure, I will not be looking at you. Keep your chin close to your chest. That way you don't injure your neck. I want you to bring your right knee in, circle it out. And be doing it this time. Never let that foot off. Bringing it in, circling out, back, and then back in, repeating. You should be feeling something in this one. Guess what? I'm going to do the same thing again. Again. And in. Out. In. Circle out. In. Never dropping that foot. For the second mark. I'm losing my footing on my mat. You can always readjust. Okay, so my foot was moving on my mat. Always feel like you can readjust when you need to. Some water. That was a smoothie. All right. Down we have a forearm plank, and this time we'll bring a knee in, tap out with the right foot, tap out with the left foot, and we will begin. 1, 2, tap out, in, tap out, in, tap out, in, whoops, in, out.
30.
Tap out. Go ahead and tap out. Good job, guys. We're halfway through. Guys, and a forearm plank. Hold the right leg out to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down.
My heart can only take so much before it falls down and hits the ground. I wanna love you, I'm not allowed. 'Cause if I hurt you, then we'll go down. Oh, I can't explain
Just flex your toe if you want, or flex it.
It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know. Will we live forever? And if I let you go,
Excellent job, guys. We're getting there. Next one, guys. Water break. High plank position. These are quite easy compared to the others. We're going to shoulder tap. Make sure you have your balance. Try to always keep your chin and your chest unless you're distracted to do otherwise. Just looking up or even like looking at someone across the room. Don't injure your neck. So you're lucky you get to see the top of my head all the time. Alright, got another one down. Another high plank one. This time, we are going to be bringing our knees in, but to the opposite elbow, beginning now. Should have a good sweat on. Always remember your breath. Excellent. And we are almost getting there, guys. We have one more exercise to do, but it's not the easiest. I recommend moving your mat out of the way. For those of you who have gym-like gliders, that's great. But these are exercises that we can easily do at home. You can use a paper plate. You can use some kind of plasticware. Like this is a microwave cover dish. My foot is going to go in this, okay? And these are sort of like a windshield wiper type of motion. You can do it either in forearm, modified, or high plank. Get your foot positioned correctly in there. Be very careful, guys. Make sure at all times that beginning now, you let that plastic work for you. Moving your leg out as much as possible. And then back in. holding the tummy in. If you have to readjust, do so. If you have to modify, do so.
30.
If you ever need some water, get some water. The biggest thing is you want to make sure that you have your balance. All right, awesome. Water break. And guess what? You're doing the same thing left foot. Get comfortable in that plank position of your desire, and let's begin. Try not to knock my water over. These are plank wipers. I'm repositioning, losing traction on the carpet. As much as you need. And you did it. Another 11 or so out of 31. Do not forget a 1 to 2 minute cool down. Your heart rate should just be bounding out of your chest right now. Planks, like I've said before, are a good all-over body workout. But just like using weights, you're using your body resistance. But this can be cardio as well. So it's great to use on days where you're going to do weights, and you can get some 15 minutes or so of cardio in. Let that heart rate calm down, nice and easy. And thanks so much for joining me. God bless you all. God bless you today and all your tomorrows. WendyMichelle Thompson. Peace out.